niyang paglingap at pag-ibig. Tuwing Pasko, pagmamahal ang kimig.
May we be the hope, the love, the gift, the light that leads every heart to the manger's light. Ang Pasko ay para sa lahat. Walang mayaman, walang mahirap. Kahit sino ka man at wala ka man, ang Pasko ay para sa sangkatauhan. Ang Pasko ay para sa lahat. Walang kulang, lahat ay sapat. Kahit sino ka man at ano ka man, ang Pasko ay para sa lahat. Diwa ng Pasko.
Would like to request everyone to please settle down now, for we shall begin our program in 2 minutes. Thank you.
Ang sanggol sa mundo'y inialay upang pag-asa sa ating sumilay. Isang regalong walang kapantay sa sangkatauhan, nagbigay buhay. Hatid na liwanag sa ating kumikislap, dala'y ginhawang lumayakap.
Handog niyang paglingap at pag-ibig. Tuwing Pasko, pagmamahal ang kimig.
May we be the hope, the love, the gift, the light that leads every heart to the manger's light. Ang Pasko ay para sa lahat. Walang mayaman, walang mahirap. Kahit sino ka man at wala ka man, ang Pasko ay para sa sangkatauhan. Ang Pasko ay para sa lahat. Walang kulang, lahat ay sapat.
And members of the university, may we request everyone to please rise. At this moment, Bicol University honors its retirees whose years of service, loyalty, and duty uphold our institution. To the art of swords, we salute lives devoted to service and service guided by purpose. As they take this walk of honor, we affirm a legacy given and a legacy sustained. We now present the exemplars of service, the retirees of Bicol University. Professor Maria Nenita E. Opeña. Ms. Salvacion C. Carosa. Engineer Osmundo H. Oquiano I. Mr. Leopoldo G. Romero. Dr. Grace L. Mayor. Dr. Alma S. Banua. Dr. Leticia M. Lopez. Mr. Jose Ray M. Doma. Mr. Glenn V. Villamor. Dr. Sibelia T. Almorfe. Professor Angelo P. Candelaria. Dr. Rosemary R. J.D. Professor Rolando L. Mendones. Professor Yolanda M. Valdez. Miss Shirley D. Adote. Mr. Marcelo J. Arania. Miss Dixie B. Boaloy. Miss Mabel A. Añonuevo. Dr. Rosemary T. Frias. Dr. Eddie S. C. Engineer Oliver E. Aligan. Professor Miguela R. Riquero. Miss Barbara C. Relucio. And Professor Maria Asuncion V. Oronan. Ladies and gentlemen, the exemplars of service, the retirees of Bicol University. Please stand still in the spirit of reflection and gratitude. May we now invite to lead us in the prayer the Chief of the Presidential Management Staff Office, Dr. Reyna O. Habalo.
Good afternoon, everyone, and Merry Christmas. We now put ourselves in the holy presence of the Lord. Almighty and ever-loving God, today we gather as one academic community to pause, reflect, and give thanks on this special occasion as we honor the lives of service, commitment, and quiet excellence. We lift to you our university personnel, those who have devoted many years of faithful service, and those who now enter a new season after retirement. We thank you for their steadfast dedication, their sacrifices, often unseen, and their unwavering commitment to the mission of this university. Through their hands and hearts, knowledge was nurtured, lives were shaped, and values were strengthened. Merciful God, we humbly acknowledge our human frailties and shortcomings. In moments when we have fallen short in thought, word, or deed, we ask for your forgiveness and healing grace. Teach us to extend the same mercy, patience, and love to one another that you so generously bestow upon us. Renew our hearts and minds and guide us continually that we may grow in humility, wisdom, and compassion as we serve. Bless this awards program, O Lord. May it be more than a celebration of achievements, but a moment of deep appreciation, reflection, and unity. Grant us grateful hearts as we recognize the fruits of perseverance, integrity, and service rendered with love. For those who have served long and tirelessly, grant them renewed strength and fulfillment. For our retirees, bless them with peace, joy, good health, and the assurance that their legacy continues to inspire future generations. May they find comfort in knowing that their labor has borne lasting meaning. Guide the leaders and members of our beloved Bicol University that they may continue to serve with humility, excellence, and compassion, always seeking the common good and the growth of those entrusted to their care. As we begin this program, we entrust everything to you, Lord. May your presence fill this gathering with gratitude, respect, and hope. May we honor not only our accomplishments and milestones, but also the human spirit that sustains our shared work, collaboration, resilience, and compassion. All this we ask in your most holy name. Amen.
Amen. Thank you, Dr. Habalo. And now we proceed with the entrance of the colors bearing the banner of Bicol University and the Philippine flag, presented by the Bicol University ROTC unit. Ladies and gentlemen, to be led by the Cuerdas Operandi, the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. We may now be seated. Service, excellence, impact. These define the work of Bicol University, a university for humanity. Through instruction, research, and extension, the university advances knowledge, develops leaders, and serves society. This work is carried forward by its people, whose roles, taken together, contribute to communities, institutions, and the common good. Today, we recognize service with impact, excellence with purpose, and commitment aligned with the university's mission and vision. Together in excellence, one for the goals. Distinguished guests, awardees, welcome to the Bicol University Service Excellence Awards 2025. dance troupe.
Pilipino ako, aking Pilipinas. Sa tibay ng titig ko, ang may tuwid. Pilipino ako, mahal kong Pilipinas.
To guide us through the proceedings of this significant gathering, may we now invite our event host from the Bicol University Publication and Knowledge Management Division. Let us welcome Professor Janet I. Triunfante.
Thank you very much for that kind introduction. Good afternoon, Bicol University family, BU administrators, awardees, and special guests. What a wonderful sight to see this hall filled with beautiful people. We are gathered here today for one meaningful purpose: to honor years of service, commitment, that have shaped our university's story. Welcome to BU Awards 2025 with the theme, Together in Excellence, One for the Goals. This afternoon, we do something very special. We pause, we celebrate, and we express our gratitude to the people who have made Bicol University what it is today. This is the day of recognition, gratitude, and well-deserved applause for our retirees and loyalty awardees. So, relax, enjoy the program, and prepare to clap generously because excellence deserves nothing less. Let's give our awardees the spotlight they truly deserve. As we begin, let us set the tone with words that inspire and uplift. May we now call on Mr. Cyrus A. Barameda, the Vice President for Administration and Finance, for his welcome remarks.
To our dear University President, Dr. Boy Benjamin Ebres III, the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta Bores, the Vice President for Planning and Development, Sir Sani Ramos, to the Deans and Directors, Heads of Offices who are present here today, to our loyalty and retirement awardees, good afternoon. On behalf of the Bicol University Administration, it is my honor and privilege to welcome you to this very distinctive BU Awards 2025, a celebration of loyalty, dedication, and years of faithful service to our beloved university. This event is remarkably anchored on the theme, Together in Excellence, One for the Goals. This theme reminds us that the achievements we celebrate today are not the result of individual effort alone, but through shared commitment, collaboration, and a common vision. It reflects how, through the years, we have worked side by side, each role, each contribution, and each sacrifice, moving the university closer to its vision and mission. Today, we proudly recognize and give due honor to our colleagues who have devoted 10 years to 40 years of dedicated service and the unprecedented services of our respected retirees have offered, and whose legacy continues to inspire the generations that follow. So it is not only about awards, it is also about gratitude, recognition, and honoring a shared journey. To our dear honorees, thank you for your unwavering service, your loyalty to our institution, and for being an essential part of our continuing story. We are truly proud of each one of you. I would also like to express my sincere appreciation to everyone, especially the Human Resource Management Development Office personnel, headed by our officer in charge, Madam Christine Belica, who worked tirelessly behind the scenes to make this event possible and to make it even more spectacular. Your hard work and teamwork have transformed this gathering into a meaningful and memorable celebration. So once again, welcome and may you enjoy this well-deserved celebration. Good afternoon.
Thank you very much, Sir Cyrus, for setting the tone of today's celebration. Indeed, excellence is not achieved overnight. It is built through years of dedication. To inspire us further and remind us why we serve, let us welcome the President of Bicol University, Dr. Babyboy Benjamin D. Nebres III, SUC President for his message.
Thank you very much, our gorgeous lady of ceremony, Miss Janet. To our distinguished guests, esteemed colleague, dedicated faculty and staff, outstanding alumni, partners, and friends of Bicol University, especially to our dear retirees, loyalty awardees, to everyone, to my BU family, my warmest felicitations and commendations. Today we gather not only to celebrate achievements, but to honor the spirit that makes these achievements possible. Our shared commitment to productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive BU character, anchored on excellence, unity, and purpose. This year's theme, Together in Excellence, One for the Goals, captures the very heart of what it means to be part of Bicol University. Excellence, after all, is never an individual pursuit. It is built through collaboration, strengthened by shared values, and sustained by a community that believes in the power of collective effort. Every award we confer today is a testament to the truth. We never reach our destination solely to pour our own merits. To our BU Loyalty and Retirement awardees, congratulations. Your accomplishments reflect not only your talent and hard work, but also your resilience, your disciplines, your unwavering dedication to serve with integrity. Whether you are being recognized for academic distinction, research breakthrough, extension leadership, administrative excellence, or like today, for exemplary service, you remind us that greatness is possible when we commit ourselves fully to our mission. But let me emphasize this. Your success is not yours alone. Behind every achievement is a mentor who guided you, a colleague who supported you, a team who believed in you, or a cherished colleague and fellow worker who covered and sacrificed for you, and a community who inspired you. This is why we celebrate as one university, because excellence is always a shared victory. As we honor your achievements, we also reaffirm our collective direction as an institution. Bicol University continues to rise as a leading higher education institution in the region and the nation, not simply because of one person's effort, but based on collective strength. We have strengthened our academic programs, expanded our research footprints, deepened our extension engagements, and built partnerships that open new opportunities for our students and communities. These milestones were not achieved by chance. They were achieved because we moved together, aligning our efforts, supporting one another, and keeping our eyes on the goals that matter. quality education, meaningful innovation, inclusive development, and public service grounded in compassion and integrity. As we look ahead, I invite all of us to embrace three commitments. First, let us continue to pursue excellence with courage. Excellence is not perfection. It is the courage to improve, to innovate, and to rise after every challenges. Second, let us strengthen our unity as one Bicol University community. When we work together, we multiply our impact. Collaboration is our greatest advantage. Third, let us remain focused on our shared goals. Our goals are not abstract targets. They are the dreams of our students, the needs of our communities, and the aspiration of a region that looks to us for leadership. To our dear awardees, may this recognition inspire you to reach even greater heights, even beyond your retirement. But more importantly, may it remind you that your excellence has purpose to uplift others, to serve the public good, and to contribute to the future where education transforms lives beyond the Bicol University borders. To the entire Bicol University community, thank you very much for your dedication, your integrity, and your unwavering belief in what we can achieve together. Let us continue to move forward, united in purpose, grounded in service, and committed to excellence. Together in excellence, one for the goals. Together, we continue to build the Bicol University we aspire for and the future that the Filipino people deserve, all on the wings and transformative power of education. Again, congratulations to all the awardees. May God continue to bless us all with cherished memories, renewed vigor, and holistic wealth. Diyos mabalos po sa gabos.
Thank you very much, Sir President, for your leadership and inspiring words. We truly move forward together in excellence. We now come to one of the most heartfelt moments in this afternoon. Retirement is not the end of service. It is the celebration of a legacy. Our retirees have given Bicol University not just years but chapters of their lives. Teaching, mentoring, guiding, and building this institution with dedication and heart. The presentation and awarding of retirement awards will now commence. To be awarded by Dr. Babyboy Benjamin D. Nebres III, SUC President 4, assisted by Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, Vice President for Academic Affairs, and Mr. Cyrus A. Barameda, Vice President for Administration and Finance. As part of our recognition, our retirees will also receive cash incentives based on years of service. 1 to 10 years, 10,000 pesos. 11 to 15 years, 15,000 pesos. 16 to 20 years, 20,000 pesos. 21 to 25 years, 25,000 pesos. 26 to 30 years, 30,000 pesos. 31 to 35 years, 35,000 pesos. And 36 to 40 years, 40,000 pesos. So those with 1 to 34 years will also receive a certificate of recognition and token, while those with 35 years and above will receive a plaque of commendation and token. Our first awardee, Professor Maria Nenita E. Opeña. Miss Salvacion C. Carosa. Engineer Osmundo H. Osiano. Mr. Leopoldo G. Romero. Dr. Grace L. Mayor. Dr. Alma S. Banua. Dr. Leticia M. Lopez. Dr. Leticia M. Lopez is also a loyalty awardee to serve Bicol University for 20 years. Mr. Jose Ray M. Doma. Mr. Glenn V. Villamor. Dr. Sevilla T. Almorfe. Professor Angelo P. Candelaria. Dr. Rosemary R. Haji. Professor Rolando L. Mendones. Professor Yolanda M. Belbez. Miss Shirley D. Adote. Mr. Marcelo J. Aranya. Miss Dixie B. Buwaloy. Miss Maybell A. Añuenevo. Dr. Rosemary T. Frias. Dr. Eddie S. C. Engineer Oliver E. Aligan. Professor Miguela R. Riquiero. Miss Barbara Cire Lucio. Professor Maria Asuncion V. Oronan. Thank you so much. May I request the BU officials to please stay on the stage for a group photo opportunity with all the retirees. So may I request the retirees to please come up the stage for a group photo opportunity.
Masarang kampung. Sir, video.
To our dear retirees, let us all together say, together in excellence, one for the goals. Okay, let's say together in excellence, one for the goals. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Together in excellence, one for the goals.
One more, happier.
With energy.
Together in excellence, one for the goals.
Together in excellence, one for the goals. Let us give our retirees a standing ovation because BU stands strong today because of you. Let's give them a big round of applause. Before we continue, let's have an intermission number. Let us enjoy a musical performance from one of the BU's finest ensembles. Please welcome BU Cuerdas Operandi. Please help me welcome once again Ladies and gentlemen, BU Cuerdas Operandi. Thank you so much, BU Cuerdas Operandi. We also acknowledge their coach and trainer, Mr. Wilven Mendaza. Thank you for guiding and inspiring these talented performers. Thank you so much. Let us now proceed to the awarding of loyalty awards. We honor our bronze loyalty awardees, those who have dedicated 10 to 15 years of service to Bicol University. A decade or more of loyalty means you didn't just stay, you committed.
Warm and dignified, the bronze pin represents the beginning of a lifelong commitment. It stands for loyalty that grows with time, for service defined by integrity and quiet perseverance. The bronze tone evokes the grounding values that hold the university community together.
And now may I call on to assist us in the awarding Professor Sonny A. Ramos, the Vice President for Planning and Development, to be assisted by Dr. Rameses M. Lorino, the University Registrar, Professor Evangeline D. Honrado, Director, BU International Relations Office, and Dr. Mary Joy B. Katangi, Dean of BU Pulangi. The first batch of awardees that I will be calling are those awardees served 10 years in service in Bicol University. Our first awardee, Mr. Miguelito G. Abaleta. Dr. Jason L. Abrigo. Dr. Evelyn R. Albao. Miss Janice C. Aranya. Professor Arlene A. Balyeras. Dr. J.R. M. Balyon. Professor Edgar S. Barameda. Dr. Sharina J. Sepcon. Mr. Junix N. Conde Lozano. Mishima Marie D. D. Miss Gisela M. Gomez. Mr. Joel M. Ilagan. Professor Eduardo Tadeos M. Livica Jr. Mr. Michael R. Makasinag. Professor Jason I. Malate. Mr. Rodolfo Hill L. Medroso III. Mr. Ariel N. Moralejo. Professor Rowan T. Morano. Professor April Joy B. Nuez. Professor Wilma E. Pahavera. Mr. Nicanor B. Perez. Ms. Marlene O. Rakit. Ms. Eileen M. Remolacio. Dr. Dimson M. Rivero. Ms. Daisy May R. Santos. Thank you so much. The next batch of bronze awardees that I will be calling served Bicol University for 15 years. Start. Dr. Emily M. Agonos. Ms. Wevina B. Beren. Mr. Marlon M. Bo. Professor Karen Boots B. Briñas. Professor Christian C. Calleja. Professor Maria Corazon R. Collantes. Professor Cherry M. De Coco. Professor Alwin Joseph M. Maceres. Miss Janet D. Manila. Mr. Jennifer B. Ocfemia. Miss Hazel B. Rodriguez. Dr. Marivi B. Trevet. Okay, thank you very much. Congratulations to our bronze awardees. Your dedication continues to strengthen Bicol University. Let's give them a big round of applause. Let us now proceed to the awarding of the silver awardees.
The silver variant glows with a refined noble light. Its cool metallic sheen reflects consistency, dedication, and years of purposeful service. It honors those who have remained true to the mission of Bicol University, demonstrating reliability and strength with every passing year.
"20 years of service, 2 decades of excellence, resilience, and commitment. Our silver awardees have witnessed BU's growth and have been part of its transformation. To be awarded by Mr. Cyrus A. Barameda, assisted by Professor Christian C. Calleja, Acting Dean of Bicol University College of Industrial Technology, and Ms. Christine Z. Belhica, OIC Supervising Administrative Officer, Human Resource Management and Development Office. Our awardees: Professor Lyndon L. Balyon. Sorry. One more. Professor Lyndon N. Bailon. Professor Perla B. Basilia. Professor Jonathan C. Borromeo. Professor Joseph Christopher P. Bustamante. Dr. Shi. Dr. Sheila B. Bustamante. Engineer Jefferson M. Cipriano. Professor Donald M. Daep. Miss Eliza Jane F. Gabo. Dr. Nera A. Galan. Dr. Reina O. Habalo. Professor Norly June V. Helutin. Professor Brehida M. Lobete. Professor Myra Angela L. Lola. Dr. Leticia M. Lopez. Ay, okay na. Professor Maria Teresa C. Madrilejos. Ay, tawagin ko pa rin. Dr. Leticia M. Lopez. Professor Jocelyn M. Nino Franco. Engineer Marites E. Olesco. Professor Christopher O. Pacardo. Miss Annalyn A. Padilla. Professor Mirna A. Pereira. Professor Teresa M. Rañeses. Professor Maria Janessa A. Reyes. Miss Karen B. Sampaga. Dr. Mary Joy B. Sande. Miss Arlene A. Satuito. Professor Ronel M. Villanueva. Congratulations, our silver awardees. Thank you so much, Sir Cyrus, Ma'am Teen, and Sir Christian. At this point, we will now recognize the Gold Loyalty awardees.
Bathed in radiant gold, this pin shines with the brilliance of achievement. It represents the highest honor, decades of steadfast service, marked by resilience, mastery, and profound contribution. The gold pin is not merely an award. It is a symbol of a career etched into the very foundation of the university.
We honor our Gold Loyalty awardees, the pillars of Bicol University, 30 to 40 years of service. May I call on Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, SUC President 4, to assist in the awarding, to be assisted by Attorney Alex B. Nepomuceno, Dean of BU College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, and Ms. Maria Myra A. Caparas, Acting Chief Administrative Officer. Our gold awardees are Miss Shirley D. Adote, Professor Karina R. Altavano. Dr. Maria Bernadette B. Arimbay. Dr. Vehilia G. Armendi. Dr. Elvira E. Azul. Dr. Leonila B. Barbacena. Dr. Rebecca Rosario Obercasio. Professor Magnolia Vida A. Cano. Ms. Agnes R. Caro. Professor Judith R. Chavez. Mr. Zaldi M. Clamar. Professor Joanne M. Cordovilla. Dr. Rosefi B. D. Professor Lucilin E. Ebuenga. Dr. Ginian L. Galicia. Professor Marie Rose D. Hazareno. Miss Aurora L. Yaguno. Dr. Henny P. Lumibaw. Professor Maria Lourdes M. Makasinag. Dr. Maria Jane B. Mascareñas. Miss Charlene A. Mendizabal. Mr. Rodolfo L. Militante. Miss Alicia M. Miliena. Dr. Lorna M. Minya. Dr. Lester M. Narvaez. Professor Jocelyn E. Serrano. Professor Imi I. Tomeño. Dr. Rowena F. Zoilo. We will now be awarding the gold awardees that served BU for 35 years. Miss Arlene L. Alemania. Miss Jean L. Altavano. Engineer Edmundo O. Estor. Dr. Rameses M. Lorino. Our next awardee served Bicol University for 40 years. Professor Maria Carolina L. Boyon. Professor Gerard M. Protasio. Thank you so much, and congratulations again, our gold awardees. Thank you, sir. Let us give our gold awardees the loudest applause. They are living legacies of Bicol University. At this point, we will hear testimonies from selected awardees, stories of service, growth, and memories that remind us why BU is more than a workplace. It is a community. Please help me welcome Professor Miss Elvira Azul.
Anong gagawin ko? Mag-share. Human.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. Tonight, I would like to share my story through one simple truth. Our workplace is our mission field. For many of us, service does not begin in a pulpit or grand gestures. It begins at our desk, in our offices, in the daily tasks we carry out, and in the way we treat the people we serve and work with. Looking back on my journey as a public servant, I have come to realize that every role I was given, every challenge I faced, and every opportunity I received was part of that mission. My journey as a public servant began in 1991 when I became a student assistant at the Bicol University Office of Student Affairs, now known as OSAS. I served OSAS from my first year until my third year in college. At the time, our office was located at what is now the University Library. In January 1995, a year after I passed the professional board examination for teachers, now LET, I was hired as a casual employee at the BU Office of Student Affairs under the deanship of Dr. Oscar Landagan. One of my main responsibilities was handling incoming and outgoing communications. So most days, I would personally walk from OSA to the General Administration building just to deliver official documents. One day, the Secretary of the Vice President for Administration, now BPAP, encouraged me to apply for a Clerk 1 position. I followed her advice, and in July of that same year, I became a permanent employee of the Vice President for Administration's office. For all of this, I am deeply thankful to Bicol University. First, BU gave me the opportunity to serve and gain experience in various offices such as the Office of Student Affairs, the Vice President for Administration's Office, the Cashier's Office, the Accounting Office, and the Internal Audit Division. Eventually, I became an administrative officer for almost 20 years. These offices became the training ground where the talents and skills entrusted to me were shaped, developed, and strengthened. Second, I am grateful to Bicol University for allowing me to complete my master's and doctoral degrees for free through HRDP or Human Resource Development. I was also sent to various trainings and seminars which later led me to serve as the Regional Director of People Managers Association of State Universities and Colleges for almost 4 years. Third, I am thankful for the challenges and even the rejection I encountered along the way. These experiences molded me into the person I am today. They gave me a deep sense of fulfillment and genuine joy and helped me grow holistically. More importantly, they strengthened my spirituality and broadened my perspective in life. Through all of this, I continue to strive to be a worthy daughter of God according to my faith. To Him be all the glory. Because of my love for Bicol University and my dedication to service, I was inspired during the pandemic to write and publish a book entitled How to Create an Inspiring Workplace in a Transforming Environment. What began as a simple attempt to share lessons from experience was received more warmly than I ever expected. By God's grace, around 200 copies have already been sold. I was also able to propose a thesis enhancement mode of payment, which was later approved and issued an administrative order. These experiences affirm for me that meaningful service can lead to lasting impact. As an administrative officer for almost 2 decades and having been assigned to different colleges, I have had many meaningful experiences. In 2016, when I was assigned as administrative officer for research and extension, I truly admired how Professor Joneda, now the Dean of BU Tabaco Campus, and Dr. Antonio Payonga led and managed their people. They had a remarkable way of developing individual potential with respecting each person's expertise. During the time, I was also given the opportunity to serve as an extension project and research poster evaluator. In 2020, when I was assigned as the administrative officer of BU Graduate School, I received a text message from our big boss that said, "LB, keep up your commitment, dedication, and good attitude as a public servant." Reading that message deeply motivated me. It was truly inspiring to receive that kind of affirmation from the university president. That moment made me realize that people are not inspired by economic motivation alone. They are inspired when their potential is unlocked, when they are seen and appreciated, and most importantly, when leaders touch their hearts and build authentic relationships. As an administrative officer who has also faced many challenges, discouragements, and disappointments, I learned that focusing on God's principles makes it easier to stand firm, believing that difficult decisions are sometimes meant for our protection helps us remain strong even when others disagree. Our workplace is truly our mission field. As public servants, we are here not to be served, but to serve. We are given the opportunity to become instruments of God's love when we serve our clients wholeheartedly with a genuine service, with a genuine spirit of service, and when we use the skills and gifts God has entrusted to us, client satisfaction naturally follows. Prosperity will come, and our greater mission of sharing love and care through service will be fulfilled. Once again, thank you, Bicol University. To God be all the glory. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ma'am Azul. Ma'am, diyan ka muna sa stage. And now may I call on Ma'am Christine Belhica to award or give our token of gratitude. And now let's listen to another testimony from our awardees. May I call on Professor Rosemary T. Frias.
Fellow retirees, nag-sink in na pong retired na pala ako. Honored awardees, esteemed guests, beloved Bicol University President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III, and the equally beloved Vice Presidents, and other university officials. Dear friends, colleagues, and family, beautiful afternoon to everyone. It is both humbling and elating to stand before you today as a retiree awardee for the Bicol University Awards 2025. I first entered Bicol University as a student way back in 1980. I was just 17 years old then. In 1984, few months after graduation, I was fortunately employed in Bicol University as Instructor 1. I vividly remember Dr. Merito Espinas. I was with the College of Arts and Sciences, which later became the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy. And then I transferred to Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development, where I retired at the age of 62. More than half of my life was with Bicol University. And back then, I could never have imagined the journey that would lead me here. For more than 4 decades, I spent my life in our beloved university, creating memories, making lasting friendships, learning as I thought, and striving to leave a legacy for the young minds that I encountered. In those years, I learned that the path towards excellence is not meant to be a solitary journey. It is the sum of collaborations, open-minded, and heartfelt discussions, the encouragement of mentors towards their proteges, regardless of whether they display potential or not. It is built upon the unwavering support of colleagues and our university officials. That is why our theme, Together in Excellence, One for the Goals, resonates with me. I never dreamed becoming a teacher. I took AB Political Science. I thought I can proceed with law, but unfortunately, I was not able to proceed. Then, there was an opportunity for me to teach. And when that opportunity was opened, I learned to love it. I enjoyed every single day, learning, relearning, and unlearning with my colleagues, and most especially with my students. It was not a walk in the park. There were ups and downs, but at least most of the path was smooth. As a teacher, as I ambition to inspire my students to become a better version of themselves. I remember I always remind my students every first day of the semester that they are scholar ng bayan, that they are scholars of the state, and that they must prove it to themselves, that indeed they are. That they need to study hard, graduate on time, and create a change. I am a happy and proud teacher because of the success of my former students. Many of them created their names in their professions. They represent the pillars of the university. character, scholarship, leadership, and service. To the loyalty awardees, congratulations for reaching the milestones of your professional life in the university. Your unwavering dedication and years of service is a testament to your loyalty, passion, and integrity. You are not just part of our journey, you are one of the reasons why the university have come this far. Your years of service are more than just time. They are a legacy of trust, dedication, and excellence that will inspire generations to come. To my co-retirees, we are beginning this new chapter in our lives. Let us continue to be inspired. This chapter brings so many changes, so they say. We leave the familiar to explore new horizons. We will look back on our favorite happy memories. And to mention a few, I will always cherish the memories of BU Week, of our Bicol University intramurals, for the sleepless nights in preparation for accreditation, for ISO, graduation day, benchmarking activities, field research with the students, project presentations, research and extension, and many more. And we will be looking forward to make new moments to remember. We say goodbye to our old friends and hello to new ones. And to quote, we have given our best to our work. Now, let us give our best to ourselves. Thank you to our former BU presidents, Dr. Faye Lea Patria M. Lauraya, Dr. Noli M. Mascareñas, and now the present president, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III, for the trust and support that honed my professional growth, for the opportunity to lead and serve, for the work-life balance environment in the university, for being an integral part both of my professional career and personal journey, for my College of Arts and Sciences then, family, for my College of Social Sciences and Philosophy family, and for my Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development family. Thank you so much for the love and respect that I will always cherish. Thank you, Bicol University, for this honor. Thank you all for being the wonderful community, the family that made this journey truly extraordinary. Thank you to everyone who walked this path with me. Thank you. This moment belongs to you as much as it belongs to me. Again, thank you very much, Bicol University.
Thank you, ma'am. And now may I call on Ma'am Tin Belhica to award or give the token of gratitude to Ma'am Frias. Thank you so much, ma'am. And we are down to the last part of our activity. Now may I call on Ms. Maria Myra A. Caparaz, the Acting Chief Administrative Officer, to give her closing remarks.
To our University President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Dina Bres III, Vice Presidents, Deans and Directors, Heads and Chiefs of Offices, awardees, retirees, and our distinguished guests, a pleasant evening, everyone. As we come to the close of the BU Awards 2025, we do so with hearts full of gratitude, pride, and inspiration. Tonight, we did more than honor years of service. We celebrated a journey marked by dedication, purpose, and unwavering commitment. We recognized our loyalty awardees whose steadfast devotion has strengthened the very foundations of Bicol University. And we paid tribute to our retirees whose legacy of excellence and service will continue to inspire and guide us long after their formal service has ended. Your stories remind us that excellence is never achieved alone. It is nurtured through shared purpose, strengthened by collaboration, and brought to life through steadfast and meaningful efforts. Truly, this evening embodies our theme, Together in Excellence, One for the Goals. Together, we have transformed lives, built futures, and advanced the ideals of public service and academic integrity. To our awardees and retirees, thank you for being the pillars of this institution. Your dedication has laid the groundwork upon which future generations of BU employees and students will flourish. Your contributions will forever be woven in the history, heart, and soul of Bicol University. We also extend our heartfelt gratitude to the Human Resource Management and Development Office, the Communication and Public Relations Office, the NSTP Office, the BU Chorale, Cuerdos Operandi, and Magayon Dancers, the Motor Pool Services, CS Events and Multimedia Production, the MCs, all organizing committees, partner offices, performers, technical teams, and support staff, and to everyone who in varied ways help make this celebration a success. Your dedication behind the scenes exemplifies the very spirit of unity, excellence, and shared purpose. As we move forward, let us continue to honor this legacy by carrying the same passion, integrity, and unity in all that we do. Let us remain one BU community, steadfast in excellence, united in purpose, driven for humanity, and committed to achieving our shared goals. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang mga kawani ng Bicol University at mabuhay ang Bicol University.
Thank you very much, ma'am. And finally, let us stand together as one BU community for the singing of the Bicol University hymn. May I request everybody to please stand? Ladies and gentlemen, as we officially bring, you may now take your seats. As we officially bring the BU Awards 2025 to a close, we once again extend our warmest congratulations to our retirees and loyalty awardees. Your years of service, dedication, and commitment truly embody the spirit of Together in Excellence, One for the Goals. Thank you to everyone who joined us in celebrating the people who continue to build and strengthen Bicol University. Let me also take this opportunity to thank the trainer of the BU Cuerdas Operandi, Ms. Apple Rubio, and of course, the trainer of the dance troupe, Sir Wilven Mendaza, and also Ms. Apple Rubio as the trainer of the dance troupe, and special thanks to Professor Glenn Mark Tejada as the University Cultural Coordinator. Thank you so much. And now, as we continue the celebration beyond the program, we invite everyone to enjoy a delightful dinner, especially prepared for you. When you dine, we are pleased to treat you to a special cultural performance by the BU Magayon Dance Troupe, adding color and artistry to this evening of excellence. Once again, congratulations to our awardees. Please enjoy the dinner, the performance, and the rest of the evening. Good night and mabalus po.
We serve